I think there have been some successes. I think since the Global Alliance for the Elimination of Lead Paint started, I think there is a better awareness.
Well, I think we're beginning to see some countries acting to enact regulations to restrict the use of lead in paints. But we'd like to see this now carried out in a much larger number of countries globally.
The manufacturers, especially the small and medium manufacturers, are very helpful and producing unleaded paint now. So they are much aware about the impacts and they are doing their business properly.
We're taking steps. A lot of initiatives, including this Global Alliance, is an interesting step to bring governments, to bring the issue to the knowledge of governments, to engage industry, to work with civil society, with governments in order to find solutions.
We have been able to establish a program in the country called Chemical Accident Prevention Preparedness Program. We call it CAPTZ. This program is meant to build awareness to the community in terms of how to handle chemicals to minimize accidents, but also when accidents happen, how should we take the cause of minimizing the impacts, but also to minimize the number of accidents that happen in the future.
The Ministry of Health itself now is according high priority to this issue of environmental health. So I think those are the very healthy and significant developments.
We have now started a week of action, Lead Poisoning Prevention Week of Action. The first of those was last year. There'll be another one this year in October. This is an important channel for communicating to all stakeholders about the hazards of lead.
We have now to engage people. We have to bring this knowledge to the legislators and the decision makers, and things should be easier.